What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Ringke's cases for the brand new Pixel 7 Pro. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick up any of these cases yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Ringke for sending me this VIP kit so I could bring you this review today, so let's go and get started. Got a really nice thank you card here from Ringke. Thanks again, Ringke, as always. All right, so it looks like we have a couple clear cases here, a stand slot card holder, and some screen protectors. All right, so we'll go ahead and start off with the screen protectors first. So here we get a guide, 2 screen protectors, and a squeegee with some wipes. So first you want to take your guide. You want to take off the top of the guide just like that. Make sure that these little posts are facing upward, and we're going to take the little portion that has like the little C on it, and we're going to press that into the bottom part USB Type-C port of our phone. Make sure that it's pushed in there flush, just like that. Then we're going to clean off the screen really well. Then we'll dry it off. All right, then we're going to take one of our screen protectors here, make sure that the little 4 is facing you, and we're going to peel off the number 1 from the bottom. Then you're going to line up the little holes with the posts on the guide. Just press that into place. Then you're going to want to take your top piece of the guide and press it down. And we'll go ahead and hold the tab on the top and place this down over our phone. All right, looks pretty good to me, so we can take our squeegee and kind of get some of these bubbles out. It's not really a huge deal to get them all out because we're going to peel off the underside anyway, but just for good measure to make sure that the screen protector is down in a perfect placement. Then what you're going to want to do is take your squeegee. We're going to put it behind the middle line here. We're going to lift up on our tab, peel it back, and then push out with the squeegee. Make sure that the blue film goes up and over your screen, just like that. Then we're going to turn the phone around. We're going to take the top off our guide. Then we need to pull up this little piece right here from the posts. Then you're going to take your squeegee, put it behind the line again, lift up and over. And you can pull your guide out while you're doing this, and then just squeegee out the screen protector. All right, and then take your fingers and then just kind of push down on the sides. Then you can take your wipe and kind of press those down again just a little bit. Make sure that they stay down. Then what I would do is take your squeegee and just kind of squeegee out the middle line here. Then we're going to very gently peel up on number 4, making sure you don't peel up the screen protector underneath with it. Then you can squeegee out any bubbles you might see. All right, so let's go and take a closer look here. Looks like a pretty nice installation. There are a couple air bubbles at the top here. Those should disappear within a couple days. There's one down at the bottom here. But for the most part, it's pretty good. Looks like the edges are staying down. Feels nice and smooth, just kind of like the glass that's on the phone. Let's go ahead and see how a Face ID works. Face unlock is working perfectly fine. Touch, no issues there. Very nice and smooth, nice and clear. Go and test out our fingerprints. Seems to do a really good job at fingerprint rejection. I don't see any fingerprints whatsoever. There is a slight line in the middle of the screen protector. It's not really a deal breaker and might hopefully go away in a couple days, but it is very faintly there. If you're looking at your phone dead on, you're not going to see it. It's just kind of if you turn it to the side. Let's go ahead and test out our fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor is working perfectly fine as well. Very nice. So that is a pretty nice screen protector. Not bad at all. So I would definitely go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. All right, and then here we have Ringke's clear matte case. Looks really nice. Got a nice hard backing surrounded by a nice rubbery material. Before you put your phone in here, you want to peel off this inner screen protector. And I also have Ringke's screen protector on here as well, and it seems to come pretty much right up to the case. I don't see any peeling. So if you want to use their screen protector with these cases, it seems to work really well. Very nice. Feels nice in the hand. It's nice and grippy. Buttons are clicky, very responsive, very nice. We look at the side here. It does have a raised edge on the top and the bottom to protect your screen. And it also has a little lanyard hole on the side here. On the other side, we have our volume buttons and our power button that has like a little texture to it and a little lanyard hole there. On the bottom, we have our cutouts and our charging ports. On the back, it's got this nice matte look to it. Feels really nice and smooth, does not collect any fingerprints, which is nice. And if we look at our camera here, it's got most of the metal covered with a protector, so that's nice, so it doesn't get all scratched up. And it also has a recession for your cameras as well. So that is really nice because most of the time you're going to put your phone on its back and your cameras will be protected. And it just has the cutouts just for the mic, the lenses, and the little LED. It's perfect. I like that case. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no issues there. And again, that is the Ringke Matte Clear case. And then here we have the Ringke regular clear case. This one's totally clear, and it has two protective covers on them. So before you put your phone in, go ahead and peel those off. All right, so this one feels just as grippy in the hand, feels very nice. Buttons are clicky, very easily accessible, very nice. Again, it's got the nice raised edges on the top and the bottom for your screen protection. It's got that little lanyard hole on the side. On the other side, we have our lanyard hole, our separated volume buttons, and our power button that has that serration on it. On the back, nice and clear. Doesn't seem to pick up a lot of fingerprints. There are some, but you can just wipe those away. And it's got the same nice protection for your camera as well. And it only has the cutouts exactly where it needs to. As you can see, your camera has a little recession for the protection on there as well. Another really nice case. And wireless charging also works with this as well. And then here we have the Ringke stand slot card holder. Alright, so here is the card holder itself. It does have some 3M sticky adhesive on here that you can use to stick onto the back of your cases or even on the back of your phone. It also comes with some extra 3M tape in case you need to pull this off for some reason. And it also does hold a couple cards. So you can open this. It also holds up to 2 cards, so you can kind of just slide them in here just like this. And then press it into place, and then you have easy access to them at any time you need. And then this can also double as a stand for your phone. So you can use it in landscape or portrait mode if you need to. And then you can easily take your card out and put it back. So those are Ringke's accessories for the brand new Pixel 7 Pro. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.